Hi, I'm Mike Maringer, Director of Kitsap County Juvenile and Family Court Services. When most people hear about our department, they automatically think that we're the place where kids go to serve detention when they break the law. And although historical views believe that our programs are only punitive, we do offer services for youth on probation. Therapeutic courts, evidence-based programs, specialty caseloads, and drug and alcohol outpatient treatment are all designed to build skills and to address the issues that brought the youth before the court. In addition, we also provide services for at-risk youth, children in need of services, and truancy. And we also advocate for the best interests of children who have been abused and or neglected. Next, you will hear about some of the services we provide. If we can provide services to you or your family, please contact me at the number listed below or email me from our website, which is also listed below. Thank you.
One of the many services in Kitsap County Juvenile and Family Court Services is the actual detention part. Joining me is Mark Mahugh. Mark is the detention supervisor. Mark, tell us about, number one, how do kids get to detention, and then let's talk about some programs that benefit them.
There's a few ways that youth are brought into us. They commit a crime, law enforcement makes contact with them, and then they come in by law enforcement. Another way that they're brought in is they've committed a crime, they weren't arrested, they come back on a later date, they go to court sentence them, and then our officers bring them downstairs to complete their sentence. There is also truancy issues with the BKAT bill. Those youth are brought to us on conditions, either they stay with us or they have what's called a purge condition. They can write a paper explaining the benefits of schooling or things that they need to do, focus on the future, and that goes back up to court, and they could be relieved of their sentence on a purge condition.
Mm-hmm. While the youth are in detention, there's numerous programs that they can take advantage of, that folks are reaching out to them. Tell us some of those programs.
We got several programs that are beneficial for the kids. The biggest one that comes to mind would be the IF Project. Mm-hmm. The IF Project was designed by a detective from Seattle Police Department. She has a number of former inmates in the Washington State prison system in her group, and they come in, and the program that they do is what if someone could have said or done something to change where you're at right now or where you're going to be going in the future. They come in 4 times a year, quarterly. Like I said, it's been about 2 years now that they've been coming in with us. The kids really take a liking to that program, to see that there's someone out there in the community that has been through what they've gone through, and if they don't change, where they could be going. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We also have Coffee Oasis. Coffee Oasis is an organization that the main office is in Bremerton. They work with the kids in detention in what we call our CATS program or in the school program. They come in twice a month and make contact with the kids to let them know that there's an organization out there on the outside that gives job training skills to them, that, or if they're runaway or they're kicked out of their house, there's a safe place to go for a temporary basis to be off the streets. We also have the YMCA program. They have evening programs out in the community out there at their center in Silverdale that they give them free passes to come in and do open gym or any of the other programs that they might have. They also, in the past, have had a couple staff come here and meet with the kids directly in detention and just make contact with them, let them know that there's, again, an organization or a place to go to get off the streets, maybe doing something that they shouldn't be doing, and a positive program for
Here's
them.
an alternative.
Exactly.
Right. What's the good news, Mark? What can What does the community need to know about detention?
The good news, I think, is that our average daily population is down. That means our bed space is up. There's not as many filings through the prosecutor's office on charges, and which kind of goes to the other side of that. You know, the kids that we do get brought in here, they seem to be a repeat type of thing. However, probation violations, a lot has to do with drug and alcohol issues or mental health issues. But while they're here, we do make contact with Kitsap Mental Health, the drug and alcohol program, to steer them in the right way. So when they do get out of here, things are set up for them.
Excellent. Thanks, Mark. For more information on Kitsap Juvenile Services, go to the website on your screen.